These super realistic AI images can be created in less than 60 seconds. Don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you how. You may have seen all these beautiful AI images all over social media and have been wondering how they are created. Just stay tuned to this video. The first thing you're going to do to create this kind of images is for you to open your browser just like this. Then in your browser you're going to search for Bing AI image generator. You open, and here you open the image creator from Microsoft Designer. Then it will take you to this page. If you already have an account, all you need to do is log in with your Microsoft account. But if you do not have anyone, you do create one. If you click on create one, it will take you to where you can create a Microsoft account. Since I have already gotten my account, I will have to go back. But if you don't have any account, you follow these guidelines until you create your own account. Since I've already gotten my account, I'm going to log in to my Microsoft account. Then I'll click on next. Then I will enter my password. Click on sign in. Then after you log in, it will now take you to this interface. This is where you have logged in into the image creator. You can see all these are sample of images that have been created by people who have opened an account and have used the image creator. Here, this box is where you type in the command of exactly how you want to generate the image. If you click on this surprise me, it will give you an example of the prompt that you can use to generate an image. But we don't want to use this prompt to generate any image. So we want to generate our own image. African boy packing firewood from the farm, following his mother home. You now tap on generate. So we now have the image of a boy packing firewood. So you can now tap on each of these images . Let's create another image. Generate. You could see your images has been generated. So what you could do is you click on the image, on these three dots, you can now click it and do download. You have saved your image. You can repeat same for every other image. And there's something I want you to know too about the Bing AI image generator. Here we have 15 points daily given to every creator to use. As we keep generating each image, each of the prompts you use to generate the image, the points keeps going down. So if you have made it this far to this video, kindly like and subscribe to this channel. So that is how to use the Microsoft Bing to generate realistic images for your brand advertising and social media posts. For more videos like this, kindly subscribe to this channel, on the notification bell to stay updated, because I'll be making videos like this so that you won't miss out on anyone. Also, if this video was helpful to you, drop a comment and like this video.